In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check local cycling and biking paths in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're connected to the internet. Next, tap or click the Layers button, which is usually found in the corner of the map screen. From the available map details, select Biking or Cycling to enable cycling information. Once the biking layer is turned on, you'll see different colored lines appear on the map. These lines represent bike paths, bike lanes, bike-friendly roads, and cycling trails in your area. You can zoom in and out to explore nearby routes and identify paths that connect to parks, neighborhoods, business districts, or other destinations. If you're planning a trip, enter your destination and select the cycling transportation mode. Google Maps will suggest cycling routes and provide estimated travel times when cycling directions are available. This feature is especially useful for finding safer and more convenient routes while avoiding busy roads whenever possible. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.